跳绳1分钟 skipping for 1 minute.1分钟后直接做侧向转腹，直到你不能继续。After 1 minute skipping, straight into bicycle kicks until failure. 直接跳绳1分钟 back to skipping 1 minute. 直接做这个训练，直到你不能继续。Straight into this ab exercise until failure. 直接跳绳1分钟 back to skipping 1 minute. 直接做这个训练，直到你不能继续。Straight into line single leg raises till failure. 直接跳绳1分钟 back to skipping 1 minute. 直接做这个训练，直到你不能继续。Straight into mountain climbers until failure. 直接跳绳1分钟 back to skipping 1 minute. 直接做这个训练，两边都直到你不能继续。Straight into line side leg raises until failure, both sides. 不能继续的时候，换单腿抬，直到你不能继续。When you hit failure with both legs, change just one leg, continue to failure. Right, that's the workout finished. I hope you enjoyed it. Super quick workout. You can do this at home. All you need is a skipping rope. 结束了，我希望你们喜欢这个影片。这个训练很快速，你可以在家里做，你只需要一个跳绳。Alright everyone, see you on the next video. 好，下次见。